Squad. So guys, we are back with another video. This time we are outdoors. We are filming, as you can tell by the title.
Don't tell them where we're at, it's confidential. We don't want our fans to know where we are.
We're filming a public prank today. You guys already know, we're gonna be sneezing on people. Honestly, I don't think it should be that bad to them because I mean, it's pretty freaking hot out here. So we just hit 1,000 subscribers today, you guys. So thank you for that, first of all. We are super excited to film a prank for you guys today as well for that. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it because it's freaking hot. Let's go.
Sure. Oh, I'm sorry about that, man. I'm sorry.
Dude, chill. I'm sorry.
Just do it again, did I? Alright. Sure. Bro, that one was...
Chill. Oh my god.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sure.
Mom, my bad.
Achoo. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Achoo. Achoo.
No, he's there.
I'm so sorry. I'm working. I'm so sorry. We're just filming for a YouTube video.
Oh, yeah.
We're actually just filming a video for YouTube. Did it get you?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's called Life of GD. We're filming over there.
Okay.
Is it okay if we use that? It's just water.
Alright
guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I got enough ice thrown on me for today, but I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to give this video a like for me.
Make sure you hit the like. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on that bell so you know when our next video is. We're gonna be dropping more videos
Very
back
soon.
to back. So stay posted.
We hit 1K, baby.